We're on SAT Practice Test 8, Math Section 2, Question 9. What's the level of difficulty here? This problem is hard, or I'm calling it hard because it's going to be hard for a lot of people. And it's like so easy that it's hard. A submersible device is used for ocean research. The function g of x equals negative 1 over 55 times x plus 19 times x minus 35. It gives the depth below the surface of the ocean in meters of the submersible device x minutes after collecting a sample. X is bigger than 0. How many minutes after collecting the sample did it take for the submersible device to reach the surface of the ocean? So I want to rewrite this function. You should too. The key to getting this problem right is to read the question, read the frickin' question, and understand exactly what the function is. ETS tells you right here. It's the depth below the surface of the ocean. So this function right here is what? It's the depth below the surface of the ocean. X minutes after collecting a sample. How many minutes after collecting the sample did it take for the submersible to reach the surface of the ocean? So what do we want this function to be? It says depth below the ocean. We want to get to the surface of the ocean. So how much under the ocean do we want to be if we're at the surface of the ocean? We want it to be 0. Right, the only thing you can manipulate here are the x's. This negative 1 over 55 is not going to change. The 19, the 35, nothing's going to change. Also, and this is important, x has to be bigger than 0. So how can you get this thing to be 0? The only way to do it is to make this 35. You can't make this negative 19 because x has to be bigger than 0. The only way to do it is to make it 35 minus 35. That's going to get you to a 0 here. And then it doesn't matter what anything else is, all of it's going to be 0. And so the answer is 35. That's it. You read the freaking question, you apply some common sense, you get it right, and you move on.